Welcome to Disability Rights Florida. We are a statewide, nonprofit organization that provides legal advocacy and rights protection for adults and children with a wide range of disabilities at no charge. Our staff of attorneys, advocates, and investigators address civil rights violations, abuse and neglect, and discrimination complaints. This includes assisting individuals with problems such as abuse, neglect, discrimination, access to assistive technology, special education, housing, employment, community integration, oversight of representative payees, voting, and rights protection issues. Our services include helpful staff who can answer questions about civil rights for people with a disability or help them find local resources. Our advocates can help people with disabilities strengthen their self-advocacy skills or assist with dispute resolution. And our investigators can investigate claims of abuse, neglect, or rights violations of people with disabilities. However, if there is a need for legal services, we have one of the best legal teams in the state of Florida to help fight for a person's civil rights. It is important that individuals with disabilities, their family members, or caregivers have the necessary tools to empower them to become an effective self-advocate. Our goal is to ensure individuals with developmental, intellectual, mental health, or physical disabilities are given an equal opportunity to pursue their educational, personal, and career goals. We also want to make sure everyone with disabilities is treated with respect and dignity in their homes, school, workplace, and in the community. To learn more about our services, you can download brochures on various subjects, visit our website at www.disabilityrightsflorida.org, or chat with our representative at our booth. We're looking forward to meeting you.
Once again, I welcome you to Disability Rights Florida. We are a statewide nonprofit organization advocating on behalf of any individual with a physical, mental health, developmental, or intellectual disabilities within the state of Florida. We cover all ages. Disability Rights Florida advocates, we educate, investigate, and litigate to protect and advance the rights, dignity, equal opportunities for self-determination, and choices for all people with disabilities. We continue to work very, very hard. Over the years, we have wanted to make sure that we not only educate our legislators, providers, individuals within the community of the rights of people with disabilities. We provide information or referral, self-advocacy support, technical assistance with investigations of abuse, neglect, and even rights violations, negotiation and mediation support. So if you have to go to something like a DOA hearing, and legal advice and representation. Again, we are a protection and advocacy system, which was created in 1975 by Congress to advocate for the rights of people with disabilities. Congress has mandated that every United States territory have an official protection and advocacy agency, and we work under the National Disability Rights Network, in which all 50 states take their lead. Why do we need a P&A or a protection and advocacy system? So people with disabilities aren't segregated from society. They aren't locked in institutions unwillingly and found isolated in homes with absolutely no services. We want to make sure that everyone is provided a free and appropriate public education and are free from abuse or being neglected, and definitely we don't want to forget about them. Taking on the issues affecting with people with disabilities, again, physical, mental health, developmental, or intellectual disabilities, we want them to know that they have rights and we are here to provide services for them, give them information, resources to help them with whatever situation may be. If we cannot provide those services, we make sure that we can give you a referral to those individuals or agencies or organizations that can help you with those particular issues. And we want to make sure that people with disabilities are treated equally and with dignity and respect. I talked about our National Disability Rights Network. It is our protection and advocacy system, as well as we work with the Client Assistance Program, which comprise the nationwide network of congressionally mandated and legally based disability rights agencies. Again, there are P&As all across the United States, and we have the authority to provide legal representation and other advocacy services under federal laws to all people with disabilities. Now you ask, what is the Client Assistance Program? It too was established in 1984, amendments to the Rehabilitation Act, which services include assisting and pursuing administrative, legal, and appropriate remedies for individuals with disabilities. Now I want to get into the meat of things is how can disability rights help you? I love this one because it means so much, especially in today's society. We are a free and confidential organization with a wide range of priorities, providing various services. Again, no charge, you can't beat that. Confidential, we do not disclose any information without your permission. And again, a broad eligibility as well for any disability. Our priorities have always been and will always be abuse and neglect, rights protection, making sure that everybody is getting appropriate public education, helping individuals in the employment field, empowering individuals to fight for their rights and not give up, and to provide information, referral, and outreach. Most of our callers receive valuable short-term services, such as, again, the information and referral, short-term assistance, self-advocacy support, technical assistance, and then others receive such things as investigations, if we need to do a dispute resolution support, or provide negotiation mediation support, any advocacy services, as well as legal representation. We have some awesome teams that work with individuals addressing the issues that may come up. We have also addressed transition, making sure individuals who are graduating from high school and want to pursue getting their post-secondary education, vocational, or even prepare for employment. We want to be there for individuals, their family members, their caregivers, to give them the support and resources that they need within their communities. We are always here to help. And anything that we can do, we're just a phone call away. But if you want more detailed information about other services that we provide, we have on our website at disabilityrightsflorida.org, we have a variety of videos, papers that you can review, and as well as some of the other services that we provide. We're strong in our voting advocacy, making sure individuals have the ability to go and express who they want and what they want in their community. We are diligently working on the self-determination, making sure that individuals who want to make their own decisions have the opportunity to voice their opinion and have someone help them that they can trust. Again, we have a wide variety of services and we are here from you. And at this time, I'm going to stop talking And if you have any questions, please feel free to put it in the chat, and I will definitely try to answer those that I can.